Welcome back, guys! This is one of the most important videos, because I'm gonna show you how to graft. Stay tuned! First of all, I'd like to clarify one thing. What's the meaning of grafting? Grafting is a reproduction technique by which we can create a new plant with the same features of the mother plant. So let's imagine we have a lemon, an orange, mandarin, whatever, and we want to reproduce it. What can we do? First of all, we have to choose a rootstock that will be the base where we want to graft. Which rootstocks do we know? I'm just gonna clarify something about that. We know trifoliate orange, which is highly resistant to cold, but not too vigorous. We know citrange, which are hybrids between trifoliate orange and oranges. For example, we use citrange carrizzo, which is a hybrid between trifoliate orange and a Washington navel orange. So it is so resistant because of the trifoliate orange and so vigorous because of the Washington navel orange. We know Ponchos flying dragon, which is so particular. If you want to watch a video about that, you can click over here. It is so resistant to cold, but not too vigorous. Citrumello swingle is so strong and vigorous. We also know rock lemon and Cleopatra mandarin, which are highly used in other parts of the world. We know Macrophylla, which is so vigorous, but not so resistant to cold. And we also know bitter oranges, which have been highly used for years, especially in southern Italy, but we found out they have some problems against the Tristezza virus. Alright, it's grafting time, so I'm gonna show you how to graft. First of all, obviously, we have to choose the rootstock. Then we're gonna take a little portion of twig. We have to count a minimum of 3 eyes to be good for grafting, obviously. An eye is the place where the plant will start to grow, so it's so important. It has to be a minimum of 3 eyes. How strong should it be? The little twig, obviously, it has not to be a new twig, and it has not to be a woody twig too. So I'm gonna show you how to graft. Follow me. What do we need for grafting? We need a scissors, a grafting knife. Pay attention, it can be so dangerous. And this little string to close everything. I decided to choose this little citrange carrizzo, which is 2 years old. It's time to graft. We're just going to take our little twig and cut it with the first cut. The first cut has to be hard, just like that. Then we're going to make the second cut. It will be like a U-shaped cut, just like that. Then we're going to make a strong cut exactly in the middle of the trunk. Just like that. And we're going to insert the plant inside. Pay attention, this is one of the key moments for grafting, because the skin of the little twig has to join well with the skin of the trunk to avoid hair and sunlight to go inside. Then we're going to take our little string and close everything, just like that. It has to be well closed. For the second method, we're going to make the same cuts on the twig. The first one harder. And the second one, a U-shaped cut. But the difference here will be the cut on the trunk. In this case, we'll make a lateral cut, just like that. And this is called pen grafting. Our little grafting has to be close as much as possible from the sunlight and the cold, obviously. So we recommend you to close everything. The plant has to be healthy and humid enough. So this video finishes here. Thanks for watching, guys. If you need something, just ask. We're here to support you during citrus cultivation. Bye-bye.